Hello, in this video we are going to be talking about having a realistic expectations from your trades. I get this question sometime back that went like this. So Jeffrey, do you think it's realistic for me to aim for making maybe 100 points per week? So this is another one of those questions when I get from time to time, and this to me has to do with expectations. What your goals are for trading. I don't look at the trading as points or anything like that. Points to me are meaningless. I'm always looking at trading as percentages. If 100 points to me represents a 1% gain in my account, well, I'm going to view it as 1%. But 100 points could also represent a 20% gain, or it could also represent a 20% loss. So points to me are largely meaningless. What I'm focused on is, honestly, I don't like to look at my percentages, whatever I'm making per day or week. I think that changes the scope of things. It puts too much pressure on you. All the time I see, people say my goal is to make X% per week, X% per month, or X% per year. I always say, well, what happens if you don't make that X% per month and X% per week? Do you try to double up next week? Now, what if next week you don't make that percentage? Does it mean now that all of a sudden you need to make more trades and do this? I say trade right, trade smart, trade the things that you would trade and see where you end up. And this is why funds fluctuate, equity fluctuate, because it's sort of, in my opinion, more detrimental to put the pressure again on you. I think it's more realistic to say if you've been paper trading and trading profitable and you have X amount of years behind you and say my average is this, I like to hopefully end up in that range. I get that, but at the same time, you don't know what the market is going to give. I don't know if June was a slow month for me, or I don't do much in June, or but I don't know if the next 5 months could be like that. Would they? Probably no, but at the same time, I say that I need to make 10% every month, and I come out making 1% for the month or minus 1% for the month. Now, does that mean I need to make 20% next month? All of a sudden, take more trades, double up on my exposure and how much I'm risking per trade. These are all, in my opinion, very detrimental things to new traders. Those looking to really get this right. Learn to trade right first. See where that takes you. It won't be the same as me or anybody else, but see where that takes you personally, and then from there you work your own methods and your own expectations. Somebody may make 10% for the year, which is fantastic when you really actually know this about markets, and that's all they want. And then for the next person, they want 200% for the year, or it's not worth it for them to be trading. That's for you guys to figure out. At the same time, you put that pressure on yourself more times than not. It leads to error and bad days. Well, that's all I have to say on this subject. I hope you've got something useful out of this video, and if you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit on the like button below, or share this video with your friends who may find the content in this video useful, or simply hop over to letprofitsrun.com for even more good stuff. Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.